Hey, I'm Ed Griffin with J Toyota. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to do the Prius walk around for you. I wanted to show you a few features on the inside of the car. First of all, you have your standard knob here. It's all electronic. You have your reverse, neutral, and drive. What this B is for engine braking. What it does is when you push it over into the B mode, right there, what it does is it shows you that the car itself slows down by the engine, by the electric motor, okay? Also, we have our tracer displays on here, which, as you can see, shows you the engine monitoring, shows you which way the electronics are going in the car. The engine's actually charging through the electric motor and the inverter converter into the battery at that point, and you can just change it to anything you want. It's got 5-minute consumption on it, eco savings, and other settings as well. Also, you have the car where you can run it in EV mode. Right now, currently, it's not available because the battery's not charged quite enough. You have your eco mode, which is your most fuel efficient mode that the car can be run in. Also, you have your power mode as well, which what your power mode does is puts more of a linear relationship between your foot and what you're wanting out of the car, the gas pedal, and what you're wanting out of the engines itself. Let's hop out of the car now and take a look at the outside of the vehicle real quick. As you can see from the front view of the car, the aerodynamics of this vehicle give it the best coefficient of drag in the industry. It's 0.25. The only other car that has better is Mercedes-Benz, which costs quite a few dollars more. Also, what you don't see on this car, which also helps, are we have fins on the car, which actually help with the airflow and aerodynamics of the car, again, relating to that coefficient of drag, and also the fuel efficiency of the car, which is 51 on the city, 48 on the highway for an average of 50 miles per gallon. All over. Okay. Underneath the hood here, we have the hybrid synergy drive. Basically, its components are the 1.8 four-cylinder with 198, excuse me, it's got 98 horsepower. Combined with electric motor gives you 134 net horsepower. This piece here is called the inverter converter, and what it does is it transfers power back and forth in the car itself. What it does is it takes the regenerative braking, which regenerative braking is all it's doing is capturing the lost energy of the car. So, and basically, in a normal car, energy is wasted through the brakes as heat. In this car, we're capturing it through the regenerative braking, through the electric motor. What it does is we press the brake pedal, it not only puts the pads onto the on brakes, it also reverses the polarity of the motor, the electric motor, turning it into a generator, therefore coming back through the inverter converter and throwing it back inside the battery for storage. So we're saving the wasted energy. That's what we're doing, and that's the heart and soul of the system. Okay. Also, you can notice with the design of the vehicle, the sleekness of it, coming with the alloy wheels and everything. The design gives you more headroom inside the car. Also, this design gives you blind spot areas where you can look through with the glass in the front and also in the rear. Okay. Let me show you the inside one more time. I wanted to just let you know. See this low threshold? It's very easy to get in the car. Plenty of leg room, plenty of headroom. This has the equivalent of the 2012 Camry front room. Okay. When we go to the back, if you'll notice, the first thing, open the doors, you notice this big vent right here. What that vent does is it pulls air from the cabin to keep the battery at the optimal temperature. Okay. Inside this, you can notice it's easy to get in with the threshold as well. Okay. What we have here is the curvature of the seats allow us the room of the 2012 Corolla. Also, you have the headrest of the Prius are active headrests. What they do in a whiplash condition or accident condition is they come up forward, cradling the neck and the head, therefore protecting you in the whiplash condition. If you'll also notice, we have alloy wheels on the car for lightness. On the back here you have tail lights. Okay, these are LED tail lights and brake lamp on the car. What that does at 45 miles an hour gives you 10 seconds worth of stopping somebody to recognize you and stop it, okay? Inside the car, in the back of it, we have 21 cubic feet of space with the 60-40 seat split down. You've got 39 cubic space. You'll also have a little cubby hole back here. Put whatever you'd like to in it with a reversible lid. That's for in case you get something wet, dirty. That's to protect the carpet as well. This is a gas tank. It's not a plug-in. Hybrids are perceived to be plug-in. This is not used for general braking. You do not have to plug it in. Also, you have on the front of the car the windshield has UV protection in it. Protects 70 to 100% of the UV rays coming into the cabin, protecting you and the cabin itself. Also, inside this car, you wouldn't know it, but this plastic inside the car is made of cellulose and not of oil. So it's a very green car from the get-go. It's from start to finish the most green car built to date. There's more than 3 million on the road today. Also, Toyota throws in our Toyota Care, which is a 2-year maintenance program, which gives you oil changes and tire rotations for a period of 2 years. And I certainly appreciate you coming in today, and that's my presentation. Thank you.